Did you really think I wouldn't notice? But you're doing an amazing job! This calls for a celebration. We should host a party. Cupcakes and...
Love parties.
It's customary for all guests to ring at the gate.
Where is it? Where's the pocket watch?
Are you and that deranged kitten up to something again? If you give up your ridiculous quest for this mythical pocket watch, you could return to Wonderland.
Tell me where the vault is. Last chance. Tell me where it is. Find it.
Maddox, I gave you a second chance.